Hi, my name is Marcus. I'm the estate manager of Conishead Priory, and today I would like to speak about a new inspiring project about our woodland. What we have originally here is not a woodland as we see it today, but it was more like an ornamental garden, or as we would call, a historically designed landscape. So we do have a couple of very interesting specimen trees, like a big Douglas fir or cedar of Lebanon or Atlantic cedar. And most likely, the Douglas fir is one of the first Douglas firs to be introduced in the UK. We do have a couple of challenges here. And a lot of people walk on wet soil, and we have heavy footfall as we have here, which compacts the soil and does affect the root system. Some of the trees even topple over. But there is other challenges like invasive species, rhododendron or laurel, which prevent other trees, native trees, from growing. And then we also have a couple of diseases like ash dieback or honey fungus. Nevertheless, what we would like to do is to restore the historic character of the landscapes, which basically means that we would like to show the beautiful specimen trees we have, but also introduce the next generation of trees. By removing non-native shrubs, promoting new tree generation, and improve wildlife habitat, I'm hoping this will enhance visitor experience and ensure that our grounds remain a beautiful and peaceful place for generations to come.